Greetings, everyone. Today we'll be talking about what to do when a focus list student is leaving. Not only is this process a data-driven one, but it can be personally difficult as a problem for you as well. Lots of times we become attached to students that we work with, and seeing them leave can be sad, especially if you don't get a lot of closure. The main reason students are exited from the focus list is because they move out of the district or they're expelled from school. Other reasons, of course, can come up in special circumstances, but those are two of the big ones. When exiting a student, make sure that you try to have the student take the SEI. I know that I had a fair share of students last year who left without being able to say goodbye, or they left over break. If this happens, it's okay. We really would like to try to get as much data as possible. Often you can still get the data from a student after they've left. Once a student goes, go into OnCorps under Student Profile. Under Edit Profile, change the status to Inactive, and put a reason for leaving. In this case, the student has transferred schools. At the bottom in the general comments, you can state again why the student left, and don't forget to put an end date. Pick the date that you last saw the student or the date that they were exited from the school. When that's done, go to Edit Benchmark and put in all the information that you have from the quarter the student left. For example, if the student leaves in the third quarter, enter their last information and try to really include that SEI score if possible. Now that all the data is done, I'd like to take a second to say that you should try to have some sort of reflection or closing with any student that you can. This helps students to know that they matter to you and you can give them encouragement going forward. I always told students who were leaving that there are helpers all over and that all you have to do is advocate for yourself and ask for help. And I always use this quote from Fred Rogers to kind of explain that to them. I hope this has helped you to learn to exit a student. Have a great day, and thanks for listening.